Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Capsa. Today's topic is about morphology of E. coli and where does it comes from, how it affects the human beings. So where does E. coli comes from? Normally it is present in the gut part of the human beings, healthy human beings, okay? But when it shows the infection, it actually comes from, first of all, contaminated food and water. Person to person transmission means infected person to the healthy person, from infected animals, also from infected man to woman through the sexual intercourse. It means it's a kind of sexually transmitted disease, from mother to newborn. During the childbirth, and newborns get infected from the mother, from urinary tract or genital tract of the mother. Also, it affects the infants, premature infants, and causes bloodstream infections or blood related infections. Among human beings, mostly affect women and babies. In case of women, it causes urinary tract infection or UTI. In case of babies and kids, causes bloody diarrhea and cramps. In case of babies and kids, this kind of symptoms actually ends after 1 month, 1 week, but sometimes it causes severe kidney and blood related infection which goes throughout the month. Okay. Now what is the morphology of E. coli? E. coli is gram negative. It means it shows pink color during gram staining. Short rod shaped, which consists of two parts. First one is cylindrical part, second one is two cap part. Okay, and non-sporing means not producing spores. Non-acid fast bacilli, motile and non-motile. Colonies are either rough or smooth form. When it forms the colonies altogether, it shows the rough surface or smooth surface. Presence of Peritrichous flagella. When the flagella present all over around the bacteria, that kind of presence is known as Peritrichous flagella. These flagellas are present all around the bacteria. This is the typical structure of E. coli bacteria. Presence of Peritrichous flagella, facultative anaerobes. This is the nature. Okay. When it grows in MacConkey agar media, it shows pink or colorless. Colorless part means it is not fermenting lactose or not producing lactose. Pink color shows lactose positive, means producing lactose. Now family belongs to family Enterobacteriaceae and observed as bluish black color with greenish metallic hue. That part is very much important, which is the color of E. coli. Many type of MCQs comes from that part. A unit cell possesses about 1.5 micrometer long and 0.5 micrometer wide. Means one rod shaped cells have a long length 1.5 micrometer. It obviously possesses a range 1 to 3 micrometer. Okay, sometimes it obtain 2 micrometer, 3 micrometer like this, and wide is 0.5 micrometer, but basic is 1.5 micrometer long and 0.5 micrometer wide. Create biofilms. What is biofilms? We will understand in later. Shows rosette-like grows. Okay. So this is the stages of development of biofilm formation. You can see here. What is biofilm? Biofilm actually consists of a bacterial colony which is embedded in a matrix of extracellular polymeric substance or EPS, which protects the microbes from the adverse environmental condition and results in infection. It means if this is the cellular surface, when they forms biofilm, they slowly embedded through the matrix, and this contact causes the infection. Okay. Before creating the biofilm, they grows in a rosette-like structure to form the long chain. A single cell creates a rosette-like structure which slowly grows to a wide chain. These wide chain attach with each other and forms the biofilm. Okay, that is known as rosette grows. Okay. So types of E. coli. What are the types? Mainly 8 types. Among them, first one is harmless commensal E. coli strain, means which is normally present in the healthy human being, gut part of the healthy human being. And these 4 are known as IPEC, means intestinal pathogenic E. coli strain. They mainly causes diarrhea. Okay. EPEC means enteropathogenic E. coli. EHEC means enterohemorrhagic E. coli. EIEC means enteroinvasive E. coli. ETEC means enterotoxogenic E. coli. And these 3 are known as XEX EEC, means extraintestinal pathogenic E. coli strain. So first one, NMEC causes meningitic E. coli, means it causes meningitis in newborn. N stand for newborn. Okay. UPEC means Uropathogenic E. coli strain, which causes UTI in women, and pyelonephritis. What do you understand by pyelonephritis? Means when both the kidneys gets infected by infection. Okay. SEPEC means sepsis E. coli strain, associated E. coli strain, which causes sepsis. So these are the types of E. coli and the morphology of E. coli. This is the end of my lecture. If you like my video, please do like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you for your attention.